And the nation's top drivers are set to return to the circuit on Monday's Labor Day Carnival of Speed race meet at the Dover Raceway in St. Anne. Rivalries are expected to be renewed among the different classes after a 7-month absence of racing due to significant damage caused by Hurricane Melissa, resulting in millions in repair costs.
The local circuit racing season speeds off with the first race meet of the year, and fans are in for a treat on Labor Day. According to Chairman of the JRDC, Terrell Marshall, old favourites are poised to bring excitement.
The likes of Doug Gore, we're expecting the likes of myself, Sheldon Morgan, Swift Tune will be there, Sebastian Ray, and many more from different categories of racing. Tallman from riding, he had indicated, we have not gotten a confirmation yet, but he had indicated that they're trying to put their team together to come out and race.
Meanwhile, Dover is still reeling from the impact of Hurricane Melissa, which left damage totaling over $14 million in repair costs. Former chairman of the Jamaica Millennium Motoring Club, JMMC, Stephen Gunter, says it wasn't just Melissa, as they were impacted by Beryl also in 2025, and it's frustrating as the progress being made is stalled.
Unfortunately, for 2 years in a row, we've been severely impacted in Jamaica because of the hurricanes. They have actually dealt tremendous blows to the infrastructure. Dover is being rebuilt now as we speak in preparation for a race meet this coming weekend, and it slows the momentum between the hurricanes.
The call is for fans to come out and support the meet, generating interest that will attract sponsors.
Sponsors like eyes on the sport. The more eyes on the sport is, the more attractive the sport is for sponsors. And it's a synergy that has to work together. It's a very holistic affair.
The race meet is set to get going at 9 a.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.